Hello. Are we live? Let's see.
Move that down.
We are live.
We are live?
So let's reload that page, maybe.
How do you do that? Hi, everybody. Welcome.
Welcome.
I don't see us live, though.
There.
There we go.
There's a little bit of
Sweet.
Welcome back for episode 2.
Hello from Dr. Christoph. Bones. Woo. Look, there's Henry the Hippo. Hello, everybody. I'm Henry the Hippo. Wait, it's supposed to be like this. Hello, everybody. I'm Henry the Hippo.
Today we have some exciting stuff, so make sure you grab a glass, some water, and you can get food coloring if you want to have a little bit more fun, and at least some vegetable oil or canola oil. So if you have those things ready, and most importantly, or not most importantly, but some Alka-Seltzer tablets,
It's going to make it.
we're going to have a big surprise with that. And if you don't, then that's okay too.
We'll make it work with whatever you have.
Oh, Mr. Amos is here. Let's see.
What's up, Mr. Amos?
Ooh, 4 people. Mariah. Hi, Mariah. Do you have your
Mariah,
ingredients?
Captain Science says hello.
Well, we're not going to wait too long today because we just have so much excitement for what we're going to do. And we're going to teach you something and then give you a science experiment to try on your own. And please, we want to see what you do at home. So send in videos.
We're going to give
pictures.
some shout outs to last week. We got some pictures. Shout outs to.
Dun, 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 dun. Teddy Evans.
Way to go, Teddy.
And Treon.
Treon. Nice job, Treon.
And
You must know Captain Science.
3rd grade after school with Mr. Drew. They sent in, I saw some pictures of Abigail. We saw some people trying out with their cocoa and dipping it in water. Who remembers what that was called?
Anybody? Come on.
Henry
Tell
the
us.
Hippo?
Drew,
Anybody?
you there?
Let's see.
I know the 3rd grade was pretty excited.
Says 3rd grade is here.
3rd grade is definitely here.
Got 5 people watching. Love it.
A lot more than 5 because 3rd grade there's about 15 people in there. So
True.
maybe 19, 20.
All right. Today we're going to talk about a word.
Oh, the Bowdens are in the house.
Oh, awesome. I see.
Nice.
We're going to teach you about
Density.
density. Has anyone heard of density? Let's see the comments. Oh, all right. Miss Sims.
Miss Christoph, who's going to read this for us? You,
All right. Hi,
maybe?
Miss Sims. Density equals M stands for mass over, which is divided by V, volume.
Very good. That's a good job. And that's what density is.
So we're going to do a little exploring.
I'm going to do this density right at Miss Frankie. Oh! She just got density. She just got hit with density.
All right, Mr. Skumas, are you ready?
I'm ready.
So we brought a lot of things to experiment with. We have some maple
Can I
syrup,
see that real quick?
some honey. Would
Don't
you
do that with
rather
Everett.
drink the
Oh,
honey
my
or drink
goodness,
the syrup?
Honey. Honey.
Honey. Have some rubbing alcohol.
No.
Yeah, don't drink that. Some vegetable oil. Water.
This is just regular old water, colored green.
I got us options. We have some red and we have some green. Red, green.
That's hardly red.
Yeah, orange. I almost tried to make
orange.
And some milk.
And milk.
So,
Nice.
density is, you could almost say it's how thick a liquid is, like how
thick
heavy
liquid is,
a
yeah.
liquid is.
And you could actually change the density of something by adding things to it. So, for instance, Water is more dense if it has salt in it. So if you've ever been to the ocean, it's easier to float in the ocean than it is in a regular pool because of the salt.
How about that? Always has some good facts, Mr. Skumas. Well, let's see if we can. We're going to show you the density of some different liquids. Mr. Skumas is ready to get messy here again.
Let's do it.
So we'll come up close to the camera and you can watch. And if you're at home, maybe you don't have Alka-Seltzer tablets. The Dollar Tree sells these, I know too. Then you could try along and try to see if you can see what you can find with the different density of different liquids. So
You can still make some neat looking stuff.
let's start. Let's see. Should we start with, what do you think would be the heaviest, the most dense, like the thickest? Would it be honey or maple syrup? Someone comment below. What should Mr. Skumas put in first? What is the most dense? Is it honey or syrup? Which would be thicker? Like almost stickier.
By the way, my friend Miss Sims is here. Hi, Miss Sims. Did we pick yet? Anybody?
Oh,
Anybody tell us?
Somebody pick. Tell us, what do you think would be the most dense? Ooh, somebody said syrup. Oh, someone said honey. Try honey.
We love when it's two different things.
Third grade says honey. All right, we're going to go with honey.
Honey. Honey, let's put some honey in it, honey.
All right, up close to the camera. So put a little bit of honey in. All right, perfect.
Are you ready? How much
Ready,
is a little bit?
steady, go-y. Let's get a nice, like, 1-inch layer.
Okay.
Keep going, going, going. Going, going, stop. All right. Next, we're going to do some syrup. So when you're pouring it, you don't want to pour it right into the middle. You kind of want to pour it, like, along the edge, right? Let's see. Looks good, just like that. Another, like, layer. Yeah, keep going. First grade says, keep going. A little bit more, a little bit more. Can you guys start seeing the layers? All right, stop.
I see it.
Let's put some, how about some milk?
Oh, milk.
This is 1% milk,
Hmm.
which there are different percent milk, so that might be,
To the side again, Miss Kristoff.
yeah. Which we could use a funnel too. It's kind of working. That's good. Stop. It should separate. Oh, look, if you put it here, you can see it separating. The milk is going to the top.
Pretty cool.
Got some milk. How about some water? What color should we put? Red or green?
Let's eat the boats.
Comment below. Let's see.
Boats. Boats.
Red or green? Red or green? Well, it's kind of orange. Orangish reddish. Or green. Let's see. Comment below. What do you think we should put? Red. Maybe
Okay.
there's some Red House people here.
There is. I'm a Red House person.
I don't know if we'll need this. Do you think this would help?
Maybe.
What is this called? Oh, let's go closer maybe. Wait, let's see. Can we see it? I think up higher. There we go. Oh, yikes. Okay, well, turns out it's...
Looks like we're making strawberry milk.
Is it going to separate? I wonder.
But
I wonder.
if you think about it, water and milk have a very, very similar density.
Yeah, especially because this was 1% milk. If we used whole milk, that might be a little different. And then finally, we're going to put some oil.
Nice. What do you think is going to happen when we put the oil? Is it going to go all the way down? Is it going to go to middle? Is it going to go... Has anybody heard the statement, oil and water don't mix?
There we go.
Hmm.
And then we'll put some.
Here we go. Let's see where the oil ends up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Third grade said, keep going. First grade said, oh yeah.
There we go.
Whoa! Look at that. So, honey, syrup, milk, water, oil. That is pretty cool.
So you can see what is the most dense liquid. Which do you think is the
Anybody?
most dense?
We're listening.
So which would, if it's dense, that means it's heavy. It's a heavy liquid.
What do you think?
Like it might go towards the bottom. Honey! You got it.
Okay.
So now is the fun part. We have all
Let's see if we can
sorts.
just focus in and then we can drop them right there, Miss Kristoff. That might be neat.
We have all sorts. Can you see a little trinket?
Yes, we can. Get 'em a
So
little- yeah, there you go.
we have a bottle cap, a Connect 4 piece, a cap eraser,
Nice.
a paper clip,
Nice.
a bead,
Sweet.
a marble, a steel ball, some chalk, a die. Oh, but this has 9 sides. Does anyone know
Whoa.
what that's called? 9-sided die.
How about a 9-sided die?
Nonagon!
There you go.
And then a rubber ball.
I like
Oh,
it.
and a ping pong ball.
I
So,
like
dun, 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 you guys get to tell us what we should drop in, and you guess where it's going to stop.
Sounds
Okay.
good to me.
So, do you think... I'll start us off with... So, does anyone remember anything that we had? What should we start with?
Ping pong ball.
Ooh, all right. Let's see how...
Mr. Nichols said marble.
All right, we'll do ping pong ball first. Let's see where it stops.
Okay.
So ping pong ball is pretty light. So let's see. Can you see it?
Take a guess where you think it's going to stop.
Is it going to go to the bottom?
I'm guessing on top of the oil.
Dun 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 dun.
Whoa! Captain Science.
There we go. Now let's try.
All right, Maddie Nichols. Mr. Nichols said marble. There
Okay.
you go, Dr. Kristoff.
A marble. Let's see. Is it going to stop at the oil, the milk / water, the syrup, or the honey?
It might get lost in Jupiter's gaseous. Whoa.
Can we see where it
I
stops?
don't think. Oh, I see it.
Where?
Yeah. Look. Can't you see it? Do you see it? No, that's just a bubble.
No, you might need to get a spoon.
There it is. There it is.
Oh, it's sunk
Oh
to the bottom.
my! All the way down bottom. I know you can't see it here, but trust me on it. It's down here.
All right, that was pretty heavy then. Bottle cap?
Let's take the ping pong ball out because that bottle cap is not going to fit in there with that. And the ping pong ball
Perfect.
is oily.
Ready, bottle cap. Let's see.
I'm saying
I think it'll get past the oil.
oil.
Oh, you were right.
Nice.
Paper clip? Let's see. I think it'll get past the oil.
Let me see what anybody else is
Top.
saying. Miss Hall. Miss Hall is saying top. Let's see. Do it.
Oh,
First grade thinks
perfect.
it's going to sink.
It looks like it stopped,
What was it?
I think, on top of the syrup.
What did you drop?
A paper clip. I think it's on top of the syrup. Because it didn't make it past the oil. And it's not on top of the milk /
So it
water.
made it past the oil, you're saying, but it's not in here.
Didn't
There
make
you
it
go.
to that. Oh. All right, we'll put in some chalk.
Uh-oh. I hope we didn't freeze.
Oh,
No,
no.
we're
here.
still moving. All right.
Whoa.
Chalk.
Oh, I can see. Oh, here we go.
Chalk made it through
Made
the
it
oil?
right here. It's sitting on top of the honey.
That's
Oh, it's
cool.
kind of hard to see. But it
That's
stopped
cool.
at the top of the honey.
Perfect.
Bouncy ball.
Wow, I didn't think it'd go that
Can you
far.
see it on top of the honey?
Didn't make it to the honey, but it stayed there. Oh, that's awesome. Right there, Miss Kristoff. We can see it. It is sitting on the honey, but made it through the syrup. And it's kind of leaning its way through the honey. It's trying to go through. All right, shift the bottle around, Miss Kristoff. So no, not shake it. Shift it because the ball's in the way now. Go like, because you're going to drop this next thing and we want to see how far. There we go. All right, do that. Oh! Stopped on the syrup. So it made it through the oil, through the water, through the milk, stopped on the syrup. Anything else in here?
I think that's
Did you try
pretty
this?
good. Oh yeah,
Last
we could
thing?
try our
Checker.
Connect 4 chip.
I'm saying on top.
Oh,
it made it through the oil!
good. Look at it sitting right there.
That is pretty cool.
So now we have all different layers here. Which leads us to our fun part. We see the different densities. And if we're going to make, today we're going to make lava lamps.
You know, I thought we were done. We've had so much fun. And we're still going to do more.
And this is where, get your materials ready. First, we'll get a cup. We'll use this nice, tall plastic thing.
If you're at home, get your mom's favorite vase.
Or a bottle. You could use a bottle.
Or her favorite vase.
But be safe and ask permission. All right. You can choose whatever you'd like to use. So, if you want to be a scientist and experiment a little, you could use syrup and water. Or water and honey. Or milk and oil.
And see, honey and syrup might be expensive, so you might want to use water and oil or dollar store honey. Really?
Yeah. That's where I got this. Dollar Tree, my favorite.
Sweet. All right, let's do it up.
All right, let's get started. We will start with some... What should we start with? Who wants to see a lava lamp?
We should use green first if we're going to use water.
Okay.
Since we used red last time, even though it was
And
orange.
this is where you would follow along and experiment live with us.
Do it with us.
All right, well, let's start with some oil. Should we use this maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what you said you're going to use, right?
I'll put the oil in.
Oh, you're going to do it over here. You want me to hold?
Or you can pour it in. And then I'll put the water in.
Tell me if I'm going to get a good space there.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me when to
Good.
stop.
Go. Dun, 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 dun. That looks good right there.
Okay.
Perfect. So we have our oil, which is it's not very
If you
dense.
remember, where's it going to go? When we pour in the water, where's the oil going to go? Think about that. I think I remember.
We're going to use green, right?
Will green water be different than red water, even though it was orange?
Another question. Okay, we'll put some water in.
Oh,
Let's see.
I see lots of bubbles.
I'm trying not to make too many bubbles.
No, it'll all come out in the end. Look.
All right.
Look at that. So the water is going down below. The oil's coming up above. The bubbles in between will slowly go away. And we will end up with oil on top and water on the bottom.
And it's separating because of, what's that word? Say it. We can't hear you. What's that word? Density.
Does it start with a D? Oh, yes.
All
Density.
Right. Oh, this is my favorite part. Don't even blink. It's just so good. Don't even blink. Keep watching. So if you're following along at home, hopefully you have 2 different liquids with different densities. And then we're going to drop it in and let's see what happens. 1,
2, 2.5, 2 3/4. Whoa. Whoa.
And I like to get a little crazy.
That looks like the surface of Venus.
You
Whoa.
could put 1 in, you could put 2 in.
Whoa.
I'm not here to play around, so look, there we go. Now you have your own homemade lava lamp.
That is pretty cool.
Oh, it looks awesome.
It really does look awesome. Go, go, go.
So you can experiment at home with whatever liquids. And if you don't have Alka-Seltzer, remember. Oh, I could hear it. If you don't
Me
have
too.
Alka-Seltzer, just show us the different densities of liquids and see if you could drop something in at home. We did it!
I like it. Miss Kristoff, quick, pour some red water in here.
Okay, let's see.
Even though it's orange. Okay. Oh.
Changing colors.
Now it looks like crazy. As Frankie said, ew. But it looks pretty cool.
Keith said he loves the science team. So try at home. Send us your pictures, send us your videos. Make sure to use the word density.
Signing off for Bones. Oh, look up there. Everybody better root for Pitt tomorrow.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you, Dr. Kristoff.
And
Thank you, Henry the Hippo.
always remember to think like a scientist.
Bye.